Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Adobe Creative Cloud, full tutorial step by step clearly. To activate Adobe Creative Cloud, start by visiting the official Adobe website. Locate the sign in button on the top right corner of the homepage and click on it. If you already have an Adobe ID, enter your credentials and sign in. If you don't have an Adobe ID, choose the option to create one. Fill out the required information to create your new Adobe ID, and then confirm your email address through the verification link sent to your inbox. Once you've signed in, navigate to the Plans section to choose a subscription plan that suits your needs. Select the plan you want and click on the Buy Now or Get Started button. Follow the prompts to input your payment information and complete the purchase. Once your purchase is confirmed, return to your Adobe account page. From there, look for the Creative Cloud option in the menu. Click on it to access the Creative Cloud desktop application. Download the Creative Cloud installer by clicking the Download button. Once the download is complete, open the installer file. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the Creative Cloud application on your computer. After installation, launch the Creative Cloud app. Sign in with your Adobe ID and password if prompted. Once logged in, you will see the list of available Adobe applications for download. Select the apps you wish to install by clicking the Install button next to each one. As the applications download and install, you can monitor their progress in the Creative Cloud interface. When the installation is complete, you can launch any installed application directly from the Creative Cloud app or from your desktop. If prompted, enter your Adobe ID information again to activate the applications. Finally, explore the features of your newly activated Adobe Creative Cloud applications and start creating. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.